Hi, this is Tanvir. I have a tinkling problem in my car. If I lift the accelerator, there is no sound, but if I press the accelerator, there is a sound. It increases when the accelerator is increasing.